Hey traders, this is Brandon. I've been doing videos in quite a while, but I thought I'd start doing videos again just to document my journey as well as help other traders in the process. So if this is your first time visiting or if you have been watching any of my other videos, I have my trade ideas software that I use to track and to find pre-morning gaps. And then here's my chart. This morning was actually a pretty simple setup, and I'll show you that. I only had one stock, so if I go back and look at today at 9 a.m., there was only one stock gapping up in that fit my criteria, low float stocks, basically under $20. And this stock, as you can see, gapped up from about 10:39 up to about 12:49 here this morning, and then it came crashing down within the first 15 minutes. So what I was looking for is to see if I can get a reversal, which I did get a reversal. So there I bought. I sold it pretty quickly. I ended up buying again, and you can see how it popped up immediately. So this was actually a really simple morning trade for me. It was the only trade I took all day, and it was literally as soon as I got in here, it popped within the first 30 seconds. It was pretty crazy. So just documenting my trades for today. I had my pre-gap morning watch list, one stock to watch, waited for the dip, bought on the dip, and let it ride. It ended up crashed the rest of the day, so I'm glad I got out where I did. So that's my trade for today. Like I said, I'll be documenting my trades moving forward. So if you guys have any questions about my strategy, like I said, it's pretty simple. I use a 5-minute chart. I wait for these stocks that are gapping up to drop, and then I buy them on a dip. That's my strategy in a nutshell. And then of course I also added the 9 EMA, which helps as well, because as you can see, as soon as it touched the 9 EMA here, it bounced. So that's another indicator that I'm going to start using to help with my strategy as well. Make sure to leave any comments if you have any questions, anything at all. I'll be more than happy to answer. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Take care.